mula sa isang natatanging lungsod sa silangan ng Kamaynilaan. Beautiful people of Patera City, wala po bang masigabong palakpakan at hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Never ever be confused with my personality and attitude, because my personality is me, and my attitude always depends on you. For I always believe that many has been part of the history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle and public display, we exceptional trans beauties all over Philippines bend history, and that's forever be our story. Just marahay na banggi sa indang gabos, this beautiful young lady standing right here before you is only 21 years of age stunner. Unlike the other candidates, I am not going to mention any of my life successes because I am fully aware that we will be able to win tonight's crown based on our performance, never with our background or achievement. I am Samantha Skyguero, hailing all the way last from the Emerald City of the South, Muntinlupa, but tonight, allow me to carry the image of one of the most beautiful young ABS-CBN actress. I am your Get Ready With Me girl, Miss Teresa Taa. And ladies and gentlemen, this extravagant costume I am wearing for tonight is the best representation of the hard work of every farmers in the Philippines. Kung gusto po natin umasenso at umangat ang ating ekonomiya, matuto tayong pahalagahan ang ating mga magsasaka. Once again, I am your candidate number 2, Ms. Risa Taaseye, ang lalaking hindi marunong tumingon sa pinanggalingan, natulala sa aking kagandahan. Maraming salamat po. Enjoy the show.
Thank you so much, Queen number 2. Please welcome our Queen number 3.